Hi everyone, Chris from the Driving Theory Workshop, and today I'm talking about how we deal with buses. Now, when we're following behind a bus, it's important to remember that buses frequently stop and then start again. So you should leave a larger following distance to allow yourself to see what's coming the opposite way. Should the bus decide to pull in and shows an indicator to the left-hand side, we should look down the road ahead and see if it is safe to overtake or not. If it is safe to overtake, then we should make progress and get around the bus. If it's not safe to do so, then hold back behind the bus. If you're coming up behind a bus that's already pulled in, make sure you keep an eye on its indicators to see if it is ready to pull out or not. And should the bus show a right signal that it's ready to move off again and you haven't started to pass the vehicle, then you should hold back behind the bus and allow it to proceed. If you found this information useful, please give us a like. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel by searching for the Driving Theory Workshop, or join our online theory course at www.drivingtheoryworkshop.co.uk.